Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. SUI chart is still in an overall local, you could say downtrend, but very, very local. Yeah, from the March low, from the 10th of March low, we've started something that looks a little bit like an uptrend, like a weak uptrend at least. Yeah, I would say it's too early to say that we've really bottomed there, but it's certainly worth tracking. And at the moment, the idea is that we could be moving higher here at the moment, but it would have to be some kind of a diagonal pattern. So we're going to take a look at that right now. Just wanted to highlight again that in this move to the downside, which, I mean, it already started in January, the minimum required, I mean, really, it's already quite a deep correction, actually. So the wave count is full. It doesn't need more downside. The main question is now, have we actually bottomed? Have we actually bottomed in this move to the downside? And we need a 5-wave move up to confirm that. So far, this move to the upside from the low, I mean, bear in mind, we bottomed around $1.95, at least locally. We're now already at around $2.50. That's already a decent move up. But you can see not really significant compared to what happened here in this overall downtrend. And if we get another low, the $1.86 level will be important support. Now, if we zoom in a little bit, then we can see that the move to the upside here is so far not a 5-wave move. I've got a wave 1, I've got a wave 2, and then I can track this here potentially as a C wave to the upside. Yeah. So got wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C, which could get one more high. Then this would be wave 3. Then we can get a 4th wave and a 5th wave. That would give me 5 waves up. I like the idea because this move up looks like a 5-wave move, so it could indeed be wave A of 3. And then we had a 3-wave pullback, and to support the price turned around there, I can remove this support area now, this micro support area. I don't need that anymore. Oops, deleted the wrong elements here. But what I don't like so much is the count from the Sunday low, because what we explored in the previous update, was actually that the circle wave 3 here should get to $2.75. So I'm not sure if that 5th wave is going to be extended enough to get there. We can keep it like that for now. Just keep in mind that the microstructure might still change. Microstructure might still change, and we need one more high here to round about 275 to actually say that this is a viable 3rd wave. So that means even with one more high, this is only a 3-wave move, and I need then another 4-5 pattern. Either way, that means we have very, very clear invalidation points. So what we need is now that the price holds above the $2.22 level, which is the Tuesday low. So what we can do, we can draw a line here, and you can see that this is the invalidation line. As long as we are holding above that level, the focus could be on higher prices. And that would mean one more high potentially in circle wave 3, then another 4-5 pattern. We will add support for wave 4 when it makes sense. Any break below the red line, any break below $2.22 would shift probabilities towards the yellow scenario, which means that this here could just be a wave 4 rally, even though it's quite substantial. It could also be a B wave potentially, but it would be a corrective rally. And one more low then would still be on the table, especially as long as it's only a 3-wave move up. And any break below any of these previous swing lows, especially if it's a 5-wave decline, would, I think, make it quite clear that we're in the hopefully the final decline. We don't need that one more low, and ideally we avoid it. I very much like the idea that we could have bottomed already, just can't confirm it at this point, so we still need to be on this side of caution. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us here for a bit of an after work chart session on X. So feel free to join us there. You can drop your chart requests here with a good reason. So let us know why we should analyze a chart, and then we will analyze as many as possible in this particular post. Makes it a bit interactive, engaging. A lot of you have already submitted your requests, guys, and obviously the charts never sleep. So even if your workday is over, it might be over. I mean, we've got an international community, but for most of you, I would say probably the workday is over or nearly over. Then yeah, drop your request and see you over there. Thank you very much. Bye bye.